my boss Andrea went out of town today and left me in charge of the entire slime factory for 24 hours. You heard me right, the entire slime factory. But thankfully, I am not going to be doing this alone because I have Anna here to help me along the way.
Let's do it.
Thankfully, Andrea left us a very detailed list of all of the things that we need to do before the end of the day. This includes making slime, packing orders, responding to emails, cleaning, just general slime factory stuff. The truck comes at 5 p.m. to pick up all of our orders, so it is super important that we finish everything before then, or else our slime factory will fall apart.
Let's get started then. What's first on the list?
First, we need to make all of the slimes for the day.
I love making slimes.
Me too.
Let's do it.
Okay, these are all of the slimes that we need to make today. 4 gallons of de-stressed dough, alien axolotl jelly, and BB narwhal bubbles. Let's get started with de-stressed dough.
De-stressed dough is literally one of my favorite slimes.
Me too. It is 9 o'clock right now. I did a little bit of math, and in order to stay on schedule, we need to have all of these slimes done by noon. So let's get into it.
So for those of you who are new, this is Big Chunk, and he's the biggest mixer that we own. And usually he's off limits. We can never touch him.
But today we're in charge, so we're gonna use him anyways. We already have our clay and our glue and our activator in there. All we have to do is, it never gets easier.
It scares me every time.
All right.
Let's test it out.
This texture, yeah, that texture is
That
literally
feels good.
perfect, but oh no. I think I'm having too much fun playing with the slime. You know what happens when I have too much fun playing with my slime? I feel myself morphing. Howdy, partner.
Roar! I'm a Slimeosaur.
Well, howdy there, Slimeosaur. Are you ready to help me fix up this here slime?
Yes, I am.
Yes, you are.
And I have my favorite color here, Roarlet. Let's roar it up. I love me some Roarlet.
All right, partner. This slime is all dyed and ready to go. Are you ready to mix it?
Yes, I am.
Could you get the lid for me, you strong
Of course,
dinosaur? Why are you country now? Anyways,
Can I do it? Can I do it?
fine. You steal my accent. You steal my opportunity to mix.
You stole my planet.
Yeah, I stole your planet. You just try and get it back.
Dare you?
You come at me with your tiny
I
arms.
think we should go for a
You
fight.
can't even reach me if we were doing this. All right. That there looks like some de-stressed dough if I've ever seen any in my life.
I hope it makes me feel relaxed.
Is it de-stressing you? Are you an unstressed dinosaur if there
yeah.
ever was one? Oh, but what is this? What is this, dinosaur?
What's going on?
There seems to be a meteor coming from the sky down to the dinosaur. It's gonna wipe you out. Get ready to be extinctionated. Oh my gosh, Anna, there's so much dye. Oh, you gotta get it out. We gotta get it out.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
Oh my gosh, we gotta get all of this out.
Is there enough here for 4 gallons still?
Yeah, it'll be fine. I made sure that we made extra. Okay, we finally got all of the contaminated slime out of there. This is officially 4 gallons of de-stressed dough, which means it is time to move on to our second slime, and it's only... Oh my gosh, we are so much farther behind than I expected.
We have to hurry up. Let's move on to the next one.
No, and I think it's best if actually we split up and you go do something else.
What? Why would we do that?
We're running out of time and we're distracting each
Okay,
other.
well, let's just keep going.
No. I'm gonna stay here and I'm gonna make the next slime. You need to go and pack this so that we even have a chance of finishing on time. Okay?
Fine.
Okay, I finished the first 2 slimes, which means we are really on track to finish by 5. I have the 3rd slime in here already ready to go, but while that's mixing, I'm gonna go finish the rest of the stuff on the list that Andrea sent. And look at this super cute sprinkle mix that the slime chefs made. It's like experimental, I don't know what it's for, but I'm glad I found it. Anyways, off to go do the rest of the things on Andrea's list. Okay, the first thing on Andrea's list is responding to emails. Oh my gosh, there's 250 of them in the last 24 hours. Okay. You owe me a free slime. Kristen owes me slime. Kristen, where's my free slime? Kristen? Why are so many of you calling him Kristen? Second of all, Kristen, what did you do? Why do all these people want slime from you? What did you do? Okay, well, let's tackle this. No. His name is Christian. That's it. That's all I'm sending that person. Somebody says, hi, here's my dog. Hi. This one says, how old is Michael? I'm emailing you because I want to know how old Michael is. I think he's 1 million years old. Michael, how old are you?
Tengo 3,000 años.
Are you serious? Holy cow. He's not 1 million, but maybe soon? Question mark? Send. Okay, that was a lot. I got 10 down. I only have 240 left to respond to. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, we're still severely behind schedule, so I'm just gonna hammer these out. It's time to get into email mode. Whew, okay, emails are done. On to the next thing on the list, which is to clean the entire content room. Where do I even start? Guess I'm starting here. Okay, that was the final thing on our list. Let's go check on our slime. I should have perfectly timed it for the slime to be finishing right now, and oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my gosh, this slime is completely ruined. How could I have done that? Oh my god. There's sprinkles everywhere. There's literally no way for me to fix this. I am absolutely not finishing by 5 p.m. now. There's so many. Oh my goodness, it's literally coated in tiny little stupid sprinkles.
Erin should be done by now. I'm gonna go check on her. Erin, what happened?
Sprinkles in the slime.
Well, we gotta remake it.
There's no time.
Of course there's time. Here, you start pouring this. I'm gonna go get the phone. Get up, cowboy. All right, we need activator.
I already got it.
Hey. You dropped this, cowboy.
We're gonna have time for this, Anna. The truck gets here in 30 minutes and we still have to fold all of the boxes.
No, we don't.
When did you do that?
I had a little bit of extra time after the second batch.
Okay, we just finished packing all of our slimes. I have a list of all of our orders here. Let's start boxing them.
$99.
99? We had 100 orders.
Did we miscount?
There's no way. We packed 100 orders. It has to be around here somewhere.
Well, come on, let's go find it.
Okay. Oh my gosh, we did it. We officially finished everything on time.
Erin, I'm really sorry that I slowed us down today. I was being a goofball, honestly.
Honestly, I was thinking about it and I feel like I was being too harsh and too strict and kind of a jerk. And if you hadn't come back in at the last minute and literally saved everything, there's no way that we would have finished that on time. Thank you. Thank you.